Hello friends, this is the second chapter, the next video on the topic adjectives. Here we will cover what is an adjective and how it is used in the grammar. So very first, the definition. Adjectives are the words that add something to a noun to describe its quality, quantity, number, position, etc. So, very first, let's begin with this definition part. As it is mentioned, that adjectives are such kind of word. They are those words which give you some more information. They will tell you some more information about noun or pronoun. So, which kind of information they will give us about noun or pronoun? Like they can mention you about the quality. Which kind of quality noun is? The quantity, maybe they can mention the quantity of noun, the number, and the position. So, adjectives are basically which tells you about or gives you more information about the noun in the sentence by telling you about its quality, if quality is there, number, possession, or your quantity. So you can see the next first topic, which is here the kinds of adjective, and they have mentioned here the six kinds of adjective. We will do them one by one in deep. First, let's begin with their name. First, what is the first type? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjective, and the last one is your interrogative adjective. So either you are reading this adjective or your nouns or your pronouns or any other topic, the kinds are almost same everywhere. We have to follow the same things everywhere. So firstly you should be clear about the meaning of everything, what do you mean by quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive, or interrogative. So one by one, we will do them. Let's start with the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, also known as descriptive adjective. Descriptive, it means which is describing, which is telling what the descriptive adjective is telling us. They tell us about the color, shape, size, texture, maybe condition, material, quality, nationality, origin. These all information they will give us about a noun. Okay, which kind of color noun is having, maybe the shape they will tell, size, texture. You can see what is mentioned here. So in short, they will tell us about the quality. They will tell us about the quality, or they will describe, they can describe what a noun is. Yeah, they have mentioned at the last also that they answer the question what kind. It means which kind of noun is used in a sentence. They will give us the information. Who will give us the information? Adjective of quality or your descriptive adjective. Quality, you all know, khasiyat. So if they will telling us about any kind of quality of noun, this is your descriptive adjective. Like a red scarf. Which color? Red color scarf. A sick woman. A Punjabi suit. Wonderful person. These are the all your examples where you can see that which kind of noun is used. Now the second one is your adjective of adjective of quantity. In short, they can sometimes mention you quantifiers. So quantity, what do we mean by quantity? You all are reading the subject maths, and I hope you have read this chapter of quantity. So what is quantity? It means the measurement. When they will talk about the measurement, which kind of measurement? You will get here the answer satisfied how much. In the quality, you have the answer what kind. Here you will satisfy the answer of how much quantity, like some, much, little, enough, These all are your examples of quantity. There is some or there is more, there is less or there are many. So these will give you the satisfaction of your how much. They also known as quantifiers. Third one is adjective of number, which is also called numeral adjective. So adjective of number. Number, yes, you are guessing the right answer that the number is 1, 2, 3. Or numeral adjective, we also call them. How many? It is your how many. Why there is two description? Why they haven't described this quantity in the number part? Because the quantity is something which you can measure. You will talk about them in totality, in total. While in number, you can count them. You can actually count them, like how many. Suppose they have further divided this number part into two parts, the definite numeral adjective and the indefinite numeral adjective. Definite, it means you can denote here the exact number, like one boy was there, two girls, or three birds. Here you will tell the exact number, the actual number. That's why they have mentioned it as definite numeral adjective. Here, one more thing is included in it, your cardinals or ordinals. Cardinals are your first, wait for a minute, sorry, 1, 2, 3, which we have read right now. These are your cardinals, and when somebody will speak you, instead of saying 1, 2, 3, when they will speak about first, second, third, these are your ordinals. So the number one is including the cardinals number and the ordinals. Cardinals are your 1, 2, 3 in counting, and first, second, third are your ordinals. Now, the next one is your indefinite numeral adjective. So, we have read this word number of times, indefinite. When you are not sure, when you don't know the exact answer, yeah, same. When they will mention this kind of sorry, this kind of example like no boy, few girls, several birds. Here you are not getting actual number, how many. Here can be few girls, maybe four girls, maybe six girls, maybe less than that. So exact number is not mentioned here, but yeah, they are giving some information about how many, few, several. So this is your adjective of number or numeral adjective, which is having further two division. The numeral one, which is telling the definite answer by telling 1, 2, 3 or 4, second, third, and the indefinite one, which is not giving you the exact number, but yeah, they are telling us about um, guessing. You can guess that how many it can be. So let's move to the next form. Okay, fine. There is one more description, the C description. This is your distributive numeral adjective. So now what is a distributive? Let's read the definition first. They denote each person or things referred to. Sometimes we have heard such kind of things like each, every, either, neither. It means some they are the such kinds of word which is referring to each person, one person, to everything. They are including everything in it. Like if I will say distribute these chocolates among each of the students, it means I'm including every person. Okay, so this is your distributive numeral adjective. Like they have mentioned some examples at the below. So distributive basically where you will refer, where you will mention, where you will talk about everyone, whosoever is suppose sitting there, whosoever are there, by these words each, every, neither or either. Now the next one, the type of your next is your demonstrative. I hope this is still clear to you that what is a demonstrative mean by. It means that whenever you are point outing somewhere whenever you are referring about far or near things. So this will your this is your demonstrative adjective whenever you are pointing out towards something, or whenever you are talking about such kind of things which you are referring by saying far or near. So the words which you will use in demonstrative adjective is your this, that, these, those. This is for singular and the nearer thing. That again for singular but for the things which are far away. These for the plural things which is near, and those are the plural which are far away. So just keep the meaning of every type in your mind, because in every chapter you will follow the same routine. So what I have mentioned, they have also told us about in the same. So basically they answer us about which one, the far one or the nearer one, by saying these words, this, that, these, those. Here from these words you will get your answer, that which one, that one or these one. And the next one, last second, interrogative adjective. Without any doubt, interrogative is to ask questions. Whenever you are getting your question satisfied, your WH family satisfied, this is your interrogative adjective. Here, all your WH family you will talk about, and it will start with question word and it will end on a question mark, like which film did you see? Whose idea was it? What noise is that? So here, from such words, from these words, you will tell us about the kind of adjective. Which film did you see? The kind of film they are asking, idea they are asking, noise they are asking. They are asking about the adjective by WH family. The last one is also here, the possessive. It means the whenever you are talking about possessive, it means you are talking about belongingness. You are talking about ownership. That particular thing belongs to whom, or who is the owner of this particular thing. You will mention here such kind of words like my, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. By these words, you can mention the ownership. Like this house belongs to her. This is her pencil. This house is theirs. You can mention the owners by these words. The possessor you can mention. So here in this adjective, you have to use these words to tell us about the quality, like I must do my duty. Whose duty you are talking about? Your own. You must do your duty, or she must do her duty, or they must do their duty. From these possessive adjectives, you will tell us about whose. You can mention here that whose answer you will satisfy here. So this is your first module. Students, here we had done that we are having adjective. What is mean by adjective? The meaning, which tell us about the quality of noun, the number of noun, and so on. We have done how many kinds of adjective we are having? 6. I have explained you each and every kind one by one. In our next module, we will do formation of adjective, position of adjective, and comparison of adjective. So for this module, this much is only. Thank you.